What's good, family? This is David here, the founder of BOK Business. And today in this training, we're going to cover how to build a website. Now, the first step to building a website is to purchase a domain name. And for that, we're going to use a website called instantdomainsearch.com. So simply type in instantdomainsearch.com, then type in your desired domain name. We're going to go with mysitedomainname.com. And then click the green buy button. That's going to redirect us to GoDaddy.com. All you have to do to finish this quickly is skip everything else and click continue to cart because we don't want to buy anything else. All we need is the domain name. Once again, we're going to skip past all of this and scroll down and click continue to cart. Once again, they're going to try to get you to purchase more items. So instead of selecting the 5-year term, which costs $41.85, we're going to change that to a 1-year term. And when we change it from a 5-year term to a 1-year term, you should see the adjustment made on the right. So now that your first domain name only costs you $1.17. After that, we're going to click proceed to checkout. This special offer for $1.17 is only for new customers. So click continue. And simply fill in all the required detailed information that they ask for, including your billing address and your payment method. Then click continue to check out until you're complete. And that's the end of step 1. Now step 2, we're going to purchase a website hosting. The first thing you want to do is go to bokbusiness.com/HostGator or just click the link below this video. And the cost for your website is only $14.95. Once you type that in, that's going to redirect you to the hosting website that I recommend, which is HostGator. It's going to show you 3 options of plans you can choose from. I recommend the starter plan. Simply click the Buy Now button. Now that's going to take you to the setup page. So the first thing you want to do is click the tab that says I already own this domain. And then type in the domain name you chose. mydomainnamechoice.com. Then simply scroll down to the next section and choose which package you'd prefer to go with. By default, it'll ask you to pay for 36 months in advance, but you can simply change that to only pay monthly. Simply fill out your billing information, scroll to the bottom, and you'll see your total amount is only $14.95. After you're done, just click Checkout Now, and you've completed step 2. Now for step 3, how to connect your domain name to your hosting. Simply open your email and open the HostGator email that you received from the beginning when you set up your account. Copy both the name server 1 and 2, like the example shown below. Return to GoDaddy.com with the name server information. Log in to access your account, then simply click Domain so you can see a list of your domains that you own. Then click Manage DNS, which just stands for Domain Name Server. Then click Change, then Custom. Simply paste the name server information from your email, then click Save. Your domain and hosting are now connected. Now with step 4, it's time to set up your website. Simply log into your cPanel to set up your website. The cPanel link is in your email that you received from HostGator. Use your username and password to log in, which is also in that email. You'll see the cPanel user guide. Simply scroll down until you see the tab that says Domains. Now we want to add your domain name to the directory. So just click Add on Domains. Then simply type in your domain name where it says New Domain Name. Then create a password. And finally, click Add Domain. Simply click the Home button in the top left to go back to the cPanel homepage and scroll down until you reach the area that says Software and Services. Then we want to click Quick Install. Once you get there, at the top bar, you'll see WordPress. Just simply click that. Then click Install WordPress. The first thing you want to do, illustrated on the right, is to select your domain name by clicking the down arrow and then selecting your domain. Leave the area next to it blank. Type in your email. If you want to, you can add a basic blog title. Then you can type in an admin username. This is what people will see when you post a message on your website. So I would suggest just leaving it as the name of the website. Or you can put your own personal name. That's your choice. Then you can fill out your first and last name. Once all of that is completed, just click Install WordPress. That's going to redirect you back to the setup page. You can either click the X in the top right corner or click the link at the bottom that says no thanks, I'm a web designer, because they're just trying to sell you additional designs that you have to pay for. But we don't need that right now. Once that's closed, if you look up in the orange section where it says View Credentials, there should be a drop-down arrow. And that drop-down arrow is going to have your login information so that you can access the back end of your website. They're going to give you the username you chose and a temporary password. I definitely suggest once you log in, changing that password so that way it's something easier for you to remember in the future. Now once you get to yourdomainname.com/WPadmin, you'll see a login window. Just use the information that you just saw on the previous window to log in. Now let's customize it and make it our own. Using the WordPress dashboard, click Appearance to access themes. Then at the top of the page, click Add New to find more themes, which are just different type of website designs. Just hover over the design and click View Previews and Details. I personally chose Access Press Parallax because of the demo. And also, towards the bottom left, they actually have a link to further demos if you want to see how your site will look once you're done modifying it. Or just search Access Press Parallax in the search bar. Then simply click the blue Install button. Then activate the theme so it shows on your website. This is what your site should look like once it's done. And now you're done. If you have any questions about editing the design, simply search Google for Access Parallax Theme Doc to receive more training videos on how to edit your website design. Or email hosting@blkbusiness.com with basic questions. If you want more information on your next step, just go to blkblueprint.com for a free discovery training, or go to facebook.com/blkbusiness. Disclaimer, I do earn a commission at no additional cost to you if you choose to go with HostGator. There are obviously other hosting companies available, but again, this is my recommendation based on my experience with the company since I started business online. If you do purchase through my affiliate link, thank you so much for supporting BLK Business.